My name is Martin Strobel. I'm Associate Professor for Behavioral Economics, and I'm the coordinator of the program on Human Decision Science. So we have people from psychology and people from economics and business giving courses. And so it's not just that an economics program with a little bit of psychology or a psychological program with a little bit of economics, it's really truly interdisciplinary. And then later on, also for the thesis, students can go either one or the other direction.
So as a psychologist, I'm very interested in behavior, and I'm very intrigued by how behavior emerges and how behavior occurs also. But I didn't only want to look at the notion of behavior as a psychologist only, but I rather would have preferred to really dive deep into this as an economist as well, because this allows a very broad range and a very diverse discipline. And so I really wanted to look at behavior itself from both sides, and then I found this master which really integrates those both approaches.
I have the feeling that these human decision science students are really very highly motivated, and they come all because they're what do you call it, true believers in, they want to know about the human decision-making process, and that's what they're going to study.
Everyone comes here with a goal, with a dream, and with high motivation, which means that within the small groups of PBL that you discuss the theories and projects with, you are really engaged by everyone, and you get everyone's background and participation.
My favorite part of this master is actually running small little experiments with the students to demonstrate actually the concepts which we're using also in practice, right? So they sit down, they have to negotiate with each other, and then we see all the biases and all the problems which are analyzed in science. We see them also coming back in the small little experiments.
So I think this master is really special in its way that it combines psychologists and economists, but also that it combines different cultural backgrounds. So that is what Maastricht University is really known for, to have a lot of different people from a lot of different places, countries, come here to study. And this very culturally rich environment really allows for a very enriching journey that you can step into. But also in the human decision sciences masters, the speciality is that everyone comes with a different background within their bachelors. So you have psychologists, economists, people from HR, and this very rich environment really allows to get different perspective, different points of view on, for example, behavior, but also just on life in general.
So many students who are interested in this topic, they might want to combine it or apply it into some other thing which they learned in a bachelor. And students who do not shy away from a little bit of analytics. So we do use a little bit of math. It's not so difficult, but people should not hate it. And then you're welcome to join us on this endeavor.